What's up, everybody? Easton here with Down South Expeditions. A little break in the videos of our trip out west to do a special video spotlighting the new SAE fog lights from Las Fit Auto. And I'm super glad to be able to share these with you guys. Las Fit is an official channel sponsor, the only channel sponsor, hope to become many more. But I'm going to take you guys on a full review of SAE fog lights. You can run these going down the road as long as you have them pointing in the right direction, and they are an absolute huge upgrade over the last spot type pod lights that I had in the bumper before. So check these babies out. Check out these bad guys. Yeah, that's not it. Alright guys, so a little bit about the SAE pod lights from Las Fit. So obviously SAE, if you're not sure, means that they are safe to use on the road, and that is because of the very thin light spread, and that is top to bottom. Now side to side they throw a very wide spread, but up and down it's very tight, so that way you can angle them more towards the ground. It's gonna not only cut through the fog like the name insists, but it keeps the light out of other drivers' eyes. So these are legal to use on the road. Now, the first thing that I really like about these pods is that fact right there, that they are legal to use on the road. That means I can drive them around and I don't have to worry about getting pulled over for some type of off-road light or anything like that, because if I do get pulled over, I can say, hey, these are on-road lights. I've got the paperwork for them. You're good to go. My second favorite quality that I really like about the Las Fits is, as you can tell from some of these videos, doing a little product testing from a video that will be coming up soon, is they really are durable. After sinking them all the way up in the water, getting mud all over them, everything like that, driving them super hard off-road and in the rain, I've noticed absolutely no water getting into the housing, which is a problem that you will find with other cheaper made lights or just Chinese made rebranded stuff. They will get light and condensation in the housing, and that basically ruins the light. So far the Las Fits, they are really nicely put together, and I don't see any issues happening with them in the future, coming from the lights that I already have in the headlights, which are also Las Fits, and they keep moisture out as well. So I will make sure to update you guys later on about the lights and how they're doing. So far they have performed flawless. Alright, so the third thing that I like most about these lights, and there's plenty more, but number 3 is going to have to be looks and price together. So not only do these things look awesome, as you can tell the other pod lights that I had, they just looked old, and these have a really new modern design on them, and from a company like Las Fit who hasn't made off-roading products before, you can tell that these are not just some cheap Chinese made, just quick threw together. They are made in China. However, they don't look like the poor quality stuff that you can get on Amazon or just those other renaming brands like I had on here before. So for the price, you can get the SAE pods, the 18 watt variants for around $150, and the HP, the 36 watt variant, for around $200 to $225. Different discount codes. Check the link in the description. I'll have one there as well. So make sure you guys check these things out. I'm going to show you some more clips of their performance, all that kind of cool stuff, as well as if I can get the other ones wired up somehow. I'm going to show you how they look in comparison to the Las Fits, but there's no comparison at all. Even though the other lights that I had were a true floodlight, they should, in theory, have more light spread and be brighter, but they were nowhere near the output of even the SAE driving pods. Alright everybody, thanks for watching the video. Want to give a huge shout out to Las Fit Auto Lighting. The guys are super responsive on Instagram. Hit them in their DMs if you've got any more questions, and check out their website at losfitautolighting.com, where you can get just about anything lighting except for light bars at the moment. They're coming soon for your car, truck, boat, whatever you got, whatever you need. They also
do have the wiring harnesses as well if you're not interested in the Trigger 4 wireless system. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you sub to the channel. More videos of the trip out west coming soon. We've got about 1 or 2 left of the series, and we're heading this weekend, or this coming Saturday. It is the 15th, so 17th, to a all Ranger trail ride, which is going to be super sick. Going to be a video on that too. Appreciate it. Peace out.
Subscribe to the channel.